What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a beautiful day. As you can see here, it is just absolutely gorgeous today. If any of you guys live out in the Fraser Valley, you know that we've gone through a lot of flooding out here. We were actually super flooded here as well. There's not much flooding anymore, but pretty much from like the bottom of the pool here out was all flooded out. And actually, in one of those buildings over there on the right, I have something for the STI in there, and it was flooded up to the box, and luckily it didn't wreck anything. I don't think it would get wrecked, but yeah, it kind of sucked. So my heart goes out to everyone out there that's been flooded out and had to leave their house. It really sucks. I totally understand. And yeah, hopefully everything's okay and you guys are back home. But yeah, we're gonna get started with today's video. I just wanted to give you guys an update since it's been so long. The STI is still here. I've had to jump this thing like 3 times now because it's just sitting here parked for the winter. I did have plans for it to get things done, but I have been told I have to choose one project for this year. And this year I'm going to focus on getting that trailer done. If you do not remember the trailer, I'm going to put a little thing here, maybe a little card. It's the introduction to that video of the trailer. Unfortunately, due to COVID, the prices of lumber went up when I started that, and it never took off. So this year is the year. Hopefully in January we will start that. But yeah, as you can see, this thing has not moved for a very long time. I put a nice moisture pack in here. It is time to change that out as well because it has collected a lot of water. I also have both dogs here. But it's time to change that moisture pack out. I'm going to put some dryer sheets in the engine bay as well because we live on a farm. I don't want to get any mouse droppings or have them chew up any wires, because that would be a really big issue. I also don't drive it because I have to fix the timing on it. I recently just did the timing belt on it, and I think it skipped a tooth. Actually, I don't think. I know it has skipped a tooth. Look at them dogs. Look at them dogs. What's up, guys? Yeah, but today we are going to clean up the Fozzie. I recently took it out mudding. As you can see, it is super dirty. I have neglected cleaning this thing. It's been dirty for like 2 weeks now, and it's about time. Like, I recently just redid the windshield because it was super cracked. I don't know if you guys remember that. Don't mind my crappy job. It is super rusty around here. So we kind of had to just fill it up with as much as we could, like caulking window silicone. So yeah, but when I was doing my windshield, I was stepping on my hood, and I got a bunch of shoe prints on there now. So this thing deserves a clean. And yeah, we're going to talk about what's next for this thing, because I really want to clean this thing up and make it look pretty. So let's get to cleaning. I also forgot to mention that, yes, it is December 5th now, and the girlfriend, Kelsey, has requested that we put up some Christmas decorations, and then she wanted it in the vlog. So if you guys stick around long enough, you're going to see us put up a Christmas tree and stuff. I'll probably do some B-roll and little slow-mos. I'm not going to bore you guys with just sitting there watching. Mainly Kelsey put up Christmas decorations, as I just drink eggnog and sit on the couch. Let's get to cleaning now, because this guy needs some love. Now, I really like seeing this thing super dirty. It just kind of makes it look really good. But it just doesn't look the same when it's not like freshly dirty, if you catch my drift. But it's been a while since I've cleaned this thing up, so I think it deserves a little bit of love. Like, the wheels are filthy, just absolutely filthy. So. Alright, now that it's all clean and looking pretty good, we should talk about what is next for this thing. Now, I have a couple things in mind that I want to do. One of them is going to be like clean up these fender flares that I added on. I did these a few months ago, and all I did was go to the hardware store and buy cheap hardware. I mean, it works, it looks good, but it's just not quite how I like it. And then better wheel fitment. Because I have the flares on now, I now look like I drive a spaceship. I want to do that. I want to put some mud flaps on this thing. I got to figure out how I'm going to do the rears, as there's not much. As you can tell, there's not much to go off of. So that's going to be the next thing. And then I think before all that happens though, I'm going to repaint the car. I've already repainted the rear hatch just to see what the color is going to look like. And because I had to replace the hatch, I just repainted it. So it looks pretty good. This is the color I'm going to go with. Obviously it's not much of a change. It's the same color, just it's more of a matte black. It's a little wet, so. But I'm going to do a full DIY on how to do that on the car. Obviously it's not too hard, but I may as well make a video out of it and have some fun with it. But yeah, that is pretty much all I want to do on this car for now. The whole reason why I want to repaint it is because the last owner, I don't know if I can pick this up on camera here. You can kind of see the swirl mark right here. The last owner, or whoever owned this, previous owners, decided to, looks like, take Scotch-Brite to the car while they were trying to clean it, and I have swirls all the way down the car. I get asked multiple times if I just took a scrub brush to it and didn't care that much, but that's not something I would do. Oh, it's bright over there. That's totally something I wouldn't do. So yeah, but damn, this thing looks mean. Well, it doesn't look mean, but it looks good. It's kind of exciting. It snowed the other day, so we're getting that much closer to snow days. We're gonna have a lot of exploring videos. A lot of the back roads are closed right now where I live because of the flooding. It caused a lot of landslides, washouts and stuff. So as much as we can do this year, we're gonna do. I think we have a couple plans to go up north for like New Year's and stuff to do some exploring, and hopefully we can get some good content out there. I really want to do a lot of snow stuff for you guys, as it would be a lot of fun. But it's so nice out here right now. I just want to show you guys one more time. That's all I can do. But yeah, so I'm just gonna clean up the rest of the car here. Stuff that's not really worth documenting here, but yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in a little bit once I start pulling out Christmas stuff, and we're gonna decorate the house for Kelsey, because she wanted that in the vlog today. So you'll see me and her, and right about now. So it is now 6:43. Kelsey is home. Like I said, we are gonna start decorating for Christmas here. Kelsey is excited. remember how you wanted to decorate for Christmas and you said you wanted on the vlog? So, it's 6:43 here, and Christmas decorations aren't pulled out yet. So, yeah, we're gonna cue Christmas decorating right now. So Kelsey is putting on Christmas music, and because I will get copyrighted for that, it's gonna be just a montage for the rest of this video. So, this can be the end of the video. If you guys watch, that's cool. If not, you guys have a good night, and we'll see you in the next one.